I'm going to share with you some experiences and perspectives on good quality do-it-yourself DIY versus going to the dealership for maintenance. As a motorcyclist, I very much enjoy working on my bikes in my garage, taking my time, really caring for the bike, and also the joy of using tools and making sure that you keep your bike in a good running conditions is it's a good experience for me. I do from time to time run into difficult jobs where I need to consult with my manuals and also look on YouTube and ask acquaintances on how to proceed. That's not a problem. It's just a matter of taking your time, being careful, and making sure that that your toolbox is growing so that you have the right tool for the job. And once in a while, I still go to the dealership, and I did when this bike was new. Here it is, 2.5 years old, and for the first time, I've been doing some work on it. And I also pulled off the tank. The same happened at the dealership because they fitted some dresser bars around the engine, and for that job, they had to take off the tank. And so I noticed there was a problem here. I actually found the filler neck for the coolant system just to be hanging loose there. I'll just put on a sign so you can see it here. You have it. And it's not supposed to be like that. It should actually be fixed. There is a screw hole that you see here, and there's nothing in it. There should be a screw, and then filler neck should be attached to it as well. I also found the screw actually because it's sitting down here, pinched in between one of the coolant hoses and the cylinder head. So luckily it did not drop off. It simply, I guess the mechanic just forgot, overlooked that he had to fix it again. So yeah, I did that. Of course, that's not something I'm supposed to do myself. When I pay good money at the dealership for taking care of it, I expect them to do their job well. But as I've seen through the years working on my motorcycles, also working on bicycles, working on cars, it does matter that you go to a really good quality workshop. Another issue I found after a service when it was 1 year old actually was on the side panel. You see this color. It was almost broken off, so the side panel wasn't really attached anymore. I was able to glue this color, and it doesn't show because it's hidden on the back side of the side panel. But they're not supposed to break that at a service at the dealership. I'm not surprised, these things happen. They're in a hurry. What is the quality of the work? Is that top of mind, or is it also getting the bike done? When I work it on my own, I know that I can take my time. I can consult my manuals. I enjoy spending time in the garage, making sure that my bike is in good running condition. And also then I know that the job is done right. I don't have to look to check and see if the dealership has made any mistakes. Maybe they've broken something that is not clearly visible until you take it apart. But again, that's not how it's supposed to be. So just to share with you some of my perspectives on the difference between good quality DIY and going to a dealership. I hope you enjoyed the video.